Good morning. Welcome or back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a updated skincare routine because I feel like in my last skincare routine it was more like acne based, and this is more kind of just like my everyday relaxing, very easygoing, minimal steps to this routine. This is like 1, 2, 3 out the door skincare. Once you double cleanse, I feel like you should double cleanse after having all that skincare products on your face when you sleep. I like to brush my teeth before I do the second cleanse just because I don't like when the toothpaste is all around my mouth. I feel like it irritates your skin. Olive with mouthwash and hydrogen peroxide together, like in a little cuppy. Given it is really disgusting, it tastes so disgusting. Where's like a Now I'll just wash my face again for a second time. Now I can take my hair out. Now I'm just going to use my same toner that I always have been using. I did try the other toner the other day. It smelled like maple syrup to me, but it did clear up like my dark spots and like kind of evened out my skin tone, so I'm not opposed to it. Like it was a lot harsher because of the pad compared to this where I just use my fingers. Now I'm just using the ROCHE POSAY salicylic acid acne treatment serum. What's good about this product is you could use this every day. You could use it in the morning or at night, but at night I use the benzoyl peroxide from ROCHE POSAY because it's a little bit harsher. Now I'm just using the ROCHE POSAY Double Repair Moisturizer.
When we are together, we always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention when you say you love me.
I really wish I had hair skin shape. Face feels so soft, and it doesn't look like as red as it did before I washed my face, so I'm feeling it. It's the skincare routine that I've been using for the past 2 weeks, so given in between the skincare, changing the skincare, I did get my period, so it was kind of just like flare up of hormonal acne. So I was just like, oh my god, like, is this from the product or is it from just me in general? So I had to do it for an extra week, but it's cleared up that said hormonal acne, so we're doing good now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoy doing videos like these, honestly. I like to switch up my skincare routine. I like to share them with you. And I just like to try new products that will get rid of this acne. And if it does get rid of my acne and it can help you, why would I not be happy about it? I got this brush. It's a comb. I got this wide tooth comb from Refreshments in an Ipsy bag. And I actually like, I love it. I'm here for it. Oh, my hair's really knotty. When it's not knotty, it's a great comb. I feel like it's not as harsh as like a regular brush. Just some body perfume.